Hello, my name is Jessica Salmon, and this is my screencast. So this is my homepage, and here's what it's like the titles. This is for my classroom I would use in school, and then this would be for whatever grades I'm teaching, and then I want to be an emotional and behavioral support teacher. So my goal is after this class, and after when I do use this in my future, I want to make the emotional and behavioral support area, so this area right here, the main thing, and kind of put preschool and kindergarten and elementary sources off to the side. But these links take you to active websites that can help you with ideas and other resources if you're a teacher or a parent. And then when you go up to my About section, that's my About Me, and then I have a lot of information, and then I have a little slideshow just so people get to see me and my family because they're so important to me. And then for technology, I have a main technology page where I talk about the pros and cons of technology in the classroom, because that's a big hot topic nowadays, because the younger generation is so technological forward and they need it, but older generations or teachers even who are older hate using technology in the classroom because they believe it corrupts society and all that. So I talked about that a little bit. And then under my technology tab is where I have my review on Powtoon. And so I have the links for my Powtoon, the review about it, and pros and cons. And I do that for each section, for each thing. So I have Adobe Spark, infographics, and QR codes as well. And then I have a contact page, and in the future, again, I will put my actual hours, what school I'm in, and I would update my contact info as well. And then I have a way to reach me if needed. If you don't want to send me an email, you can do it this way as well. And then I also have how I plan to use this website for my profession, and that's a little bit how I talked about how I switched my major from teaching into majoring in psychology, because I want to be a behavioralist instead of an actual elementary or preschool teacher. And that's my Weebly website.